I swear I see a patch of blue. So tomorrow morning, when the sky's clear, I will be a day away from here. I got my bag packed up, my boots laced up, my little red pup, my rifle's on the dash. I'm headed out of town, out of cell range, where nobody's ever heard my name. I'm headed for the snow and isolation. It's been a little heavy on my brain, so I'm going where the noise can't get to this eagle cap wilderness.